Step 1. Figure out the conclusion here. See, the issue under consideration in the argument is whether the record will be surpassed this year, the record for the total amount of bonuses offered by this company. And the last sentence here is the conclusion. Step 2 is to link the two bold-faced parts with the conclusion. You see, the first bold-face as well as the second bold-face contribute to explaining why the record is unlikely to break. And therefore, first as well as second bold-face are explanations that support the main conclusion of the argument. So with that groundwork, let's look at the answer choices. Yes, the first boldface here is a universal truth, so it can be called a generalization. So these choices look alright. Even calling it an obvious truth is absolutely correct. However, the argument does not seek to establish this obvious truth. The argument uses this obvious truth to reach its conclusion here. And therefore, answer choices A and B should be eliminated. Look at answer choice E first. The second is not something that has been challenged by the argument. The second boldface also contributes to reaching the main conclusion, and therefore the second boldface is in sync with the argument's conclusion. Answer choice E cannot be correct. It's between C and D now. A similar problem with answer choice D here. No, the second is not something that is in support of a position opposed by the argument. Remember, in our groundwork we said that the first boldface as well as the second boldface are supporting the main conclusion. So any answer choice that uses a term such as opposed for the first or the second boldface can just not be correct. So opposed or challenge here, all these answer choices are just not going to be correct. Let's confirm answer choice C now. See, this is the conclusion. The first and the second boldfaces are supporting the main conclusion. Look at answer choice C here. The first is presented as an obvious truth, and yes, since this is a universal truth, the term obvious truth is alright, and yes, the argument is based on this obvious truth. So first part of the answer is absolutely correct. Look at the second part here. The second is a judgment. Yes, calling it a judgment is alright because see, this is a prediction and therefore someone's opinion or judgment, and this judgment has been advanced in support of the argument's main conclusion. So answer choice C does a perfect job at explaining the roles of the two bold-faced parts in the argument. C is the correct answer choice.